For the first part, it will be the simplest wood origami with only 10 simple steps. Without wasting our time, let's get started with our origami fun session. Let's get to know the material that we are going to use. As the first one is the simplest origami, so I will be using only a piece of A4 paper, optional whatever color that you guys want to choose. So I am using red color. Okay, so the first step is get a piece of A4 paper and fold it into half. Okay, then the second step is fold it to a half once again. The paper will become a small rectangle. For the third step, open back the second half fold and fold in corners. Okay, for the fourth step, once the rectangle shape is formed from the top, fold out the edges on both sides. Okay, for the fifth step, then pull the sides out and flatten it till it looks like a square. Alright, for the sixth step, moving on by folding the front layer and the back layer upwards. Okay, for the seventh steps, once done, pull the sides apart and flatten the paper. Okay, on the eighth step, we are almost there guys, so now pull both tops flat outwards. For the ninth step, don't forget to squish the bottom and pull the sides up. Finally, we have successfully made a paper boat. Now it is ready to float on the water surface. Bye!
Hi everyone, do you feel bothered that how to design your house with low budget? If yes, let me teach you how to make a simple origami to design your house. I'm here to teach you to make a simple origami of windmills. Yes, it's a windmill. You only prepare a material and a tools, then make a windmill by a few simple steps. No much nonsense. Let's get started by preparing a material and a tools. First, we need to prepare an A4 color paper and also one ruler. Now, let us start the simple origami of windmill. Step 1. Fold in 45 degrees to form a triangle. Fold and cut the left over the part of the A4 color paper. Open up the paper. Fold the paper in the form of rectangle. Next, form a triangle by form in the half of diagonally. Repeat these actions for the other direction. Open up your paper with a square shape and make sure all the four corners are met at the center of the color paper. Open up the color paper completely and fold the top bottom edge and it to meet the center and forming a rectangle shape. Fold the outside edge to meet at the center of the color paper. Insert your finger into the edge and pull out each of the four tips of the color paper to form a six-sided figure. Take the upright flat and fold it upward. Fold the lower left flat downward. A simple windmill is completely done. The process of doing a simple origami windmill is very easy. It needs one material, one tool, and 9 simple steps only. Therefore, everyone can try it in home. You can make others origami to design your house, rooms, or living room. It is a low-budget DIY for your house.
Do you feel bored with your room or your place? Let's decorate it. I am here to teach you how to make a simple origami of butterfly to decorate your room. You need only simple tools and steps to make beautiful butterfly for your room. Alright, before we begin, let me show the material that we will use for this simple origami. So the first is we need only colored A4 paper and also the ruler. So the ruler is to make sure we get the same size for this paper. We will get the same size paper for this butterfly origami. Okay, let's start. Step 1, fold it in half to make creases to make the upper edge and the bottom edge meet, and also left edge and the right edge meet. Alright, step 2, flip the paper and fold the bottom right corner to the upper left corner and also upper right corner to the left corner. Alright, step 3, fold it inside along the creases and make it like a triangle. Alright. Step 4, fold both overlap corners to the middle corner. Alright, step 5, flip it over and fold the corners so that it's out of the bottom edge a little. Step 6, fold the top of the corner back. Flip it over and pinch the middle of the wing to make crease. Then, the butterfly with smooth wing has complete. Yay, it's done! Let's see the final look. Today we learned new simple origami can help us to decorate by using simple material and steps. I hope this video can help all the audience and easy to understand. That's all from me. Thank you.
When it comes to origami, there are a lot of types of origami. We have animals, we have flower, and much more. So today I will show you one of the most unique origami that you can do easily. Today we will doing an ninja star origami, just like this. For doing this origami, all you need is one material and 11 steps to follow. And the material that you only use is just a piece of paper. Now we have the materials, so we can start to make this origami. So let's do this, shall we? Step 1. Fold the paper into half. Next, fold the bottom left corner up at the right angle. Unfold the paper and fold the two corners down to the middle case. Fold the paper in half again. This step is a little bit tricky, so listen it carefully. Using the crest that we made, fold the bottom towards the middle to create a parallelogram. Repeat the same step with other paper and make sure you have 8 origami. So this is the best part. Let's assemble it. Pick up one piece and hold the open part to the right and place another one inside the open part. And then fold the little excess end. As usual, repeat the process until you get the last piece. So the last piece goes in the same way. Voila! A wonderful origami. So there we have it. We already learned how to make the ninja star origami. So I hope all of you who watch this video try to do this origami and impress someone, you know? So that's all for me and bye-bye.
Hi! Do you know, besides making a boat, hat and basket origami, we can even make a cat origami. Sound interesting, right? Moreover, it can be used as a bookmark and decoration in our room. We would be more excited to see the book in our room are beautifully covered with the origami cat, especially for the cat lover like me. So, I am here to teach you a simple step to make a cute origami of cat. So, firstly, we need to provide a few materials so that we can make a perfect cat origami. So, let me show you the material that we need to create this simple origami. So, what we need to make an origami cat is a piece of paper, just pick any color you like, and a pen. That's only. So, let's get started. Step 1. Start with a piece of paper, make in a form of square sheet or in 8.5 by 11 cm. Step 2. Fold paper in half by folding the bottom corner to the top corner. It will become like this, and fold in half again by folding the left corner to the right corner, so it will become a small triangle. And step 4, we will unfold it again to form the ear by folding the left and the right corner of the triangle up at the angle. This is for the step 5. So I will show you how to folding the left corner up to the angle. We will do like this and do the same thing to the right corner, and then it will become like this. And for step 6, fold a portion of the top corner down. So this is at the top corner, we will corner it down. It will become like this. So after that, step 7, turn the figure over. So it will become a cat figure, but it's not yet finished because we will use a pen to draw some eyes and whisker. So I will draw it first. Ta-da! My cute origami cat is done! Easy, right? Just follow those steps. Now you can create a lot of cat origami. So today we learned a new thing, which is how to make a simple and easy cat origami that we can use for decoration. I hope this simple sharing can help you all who have no idea to make something new as a decoration, especially for the cat lover. I know, you will love it.
My name is Harprika Sidhu, daughter of Kartar Singh, holding the metric card D2019-108-6930 from EP3 Group AX. So, here is my reflection part. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Pooh to give us this great opportunity to shoot this video. It is very different than other subject videos because I have learned how to do some different video than other subjects. Throughout my journey to do this video, I have learned many things. For example, I have learned how to use different applications to edit my videos such as Filmora. Besides, I have faced some obstacle whenever I was recording the video. One of the obstacles was that I have to record this video by my own and I don't even have somebody to help me to record this video as I am staying alone in the house in college. I have a big hope that I will get this kind of opportunity in the future to do this kind of video. Like for us, we have done origami video. So that's all from me. I hope you will like our video. So bye!
Hi everyone, my name is Chan Tak Chen. Metric number is D20191086-945 from Group AX. Reflection. The speaking task gave me the opportunity to speak English. It's a good for me to improve my English language. Besides, the biggest challenge is the problem of internet networks. Some group members, including myself, have the problem in accessing the unstable internet. The video recording is also interrupted due to environmental unsuitable conditions. For the video, I suggest that we can add more appropriate sound effects in the video, and the video recording is carried out with a uniform and appropriate background.
Hello, my name is Intanul Shafika binti Sulaiman, metric number D20191086-951 in group A at EP3. My reflection for this video is I can know more about origami and also can gain my knowledge, can gain my confidence to talk in front of camera. I am really enjoy with this assignment because it's not too hard for me and can also release my stress with this origami. I also really thankful because I get very good teammates, which is Firdaus, Hafrid, Chan and Dayang, because they are really supportive members with this assignment. At first, I really confused on how to setting my camera and how to talk in front of camera for my demo video, but they really helped me a lot. As we can see, this video really needs many skills for editing video, lighting for get nice look, and also improve my English. Actually, I get some problems to set up my camera to get two sides for this demo video, which is my face and also how to show this origami properly. I am really sorry if my origami quite messy and too fast. I am really hope this video can help others to be as example. At first, I really awkward to talk in English because my English is not really good, but I try my best to talk in English for this demo video. So in this reflection, I also want to say thank you for our teammate and my lecturer for this subject, Mr. Poo. Thank you, sir. See you when I see you.
Hi, my name is Nur Iqbal Firdaus bin Dainis and my metric number is D20191086-942 and this is my reflection video. First of all, I would like to thank you Mr. Poo Ganeswaran, also known as Mr. Poo, for giving us the opportunity for making this demo video. I learned a lot of things during making this demo video where I learned how to do origami, I can enhance my editing skills and also can improve my English. And most importantly, that I can create a good relationship with my teammates, which are Intan, Chan, Dayang and Harpreet. Even though I learned a lot of things during making this demo video, but also I faced a lot of difficulties during making this video where I have to change from using sticky notes to regular paper because when I use sticky notes it's hard for me to do the origami. On the other hand, my environment also is not that conducive. But my most problem is probably my speaking because I'm not fluent speaking English. But thanks to Mr. Poo and also my teammate who willing to help me and guide me for make this video a success. And I hope that I can make this kind of video in the future for enhance my editing skills. And I also hope that Mr. Poo will like this video. That's all from me. Thank you. As Mr. Poo always say, I see you when I see you.
Hi and salam EP3 to Sir Poo. I am Dayang Nur Azwa Izzati binti Abang Sahidin with metric number D20191086-952. So today I'm going to give a little reflection to the video demo I did with my friends. So there are a lot of things I've learned during making this video, like I was able to deploy the teamwork within my group in terms of adding ideas, listening to everyone's creativity to make the video interesting, and we managed to record the video on time to make sure no one was left behind. Also, the disadvantages when performing this video is that a lot of noise interference from the environment and my video needs to be filmed several times. So my hope for this subject, this style of learning will continue because every time I learn this subject, Sir Poo always come with a new, fresh and trendy learning style. So thanks to Sir Poo for giving me so much guidance on this video and giving me and my group the opportunity to learn new things. We had so much fun. So this is all from me. Thank you.